Welcome back to TechRums. Today we're going to show you how to pause music with the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So basically, when we press the button and we swipe from the left, we can see that we are actually playing music, this time on an iPhone, which is here on the side. You can see that it's playing. And basically, when I click sideways and press pause, that's how it does it. It stopped it. So I can once again swipe sideways, press play, press pause, press play, press pause. And also, if we want, we can go from the menu here. Actually, no, on the little music tune here, we can actually play, pause from the music here. So you can do it from literally just scrolling sideways, or you can go into the menu by pressing the button and changing it here, and we can do anything with our music. So yeah, that's how you play and pause music with the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.